Every great journey begins with a single spark, the dream to rise higher. Some only watch the skies, others prepare to touch them. Motivation starts the dream, but discipline keeps it flying. When the skies shake, remember, turbulence is temporary. Even the best aviators adjust their course to stay true. True mastery isn't in the cockpit, it's the instrument you build within. Great aviators lift others as they climb. Every skill is tested before it's trusted. The runway is clear. It's your moment to fly. Dreams take flight when you do. Inspired by life, driven by discipline, grow with Ali.